I'm going to give you guys one tip that you can use to grow your life insurance business. One of the things that you're going to do when you put life insurance on a client, you have the insured, you have the beneficiary. So the insured is the person who pays the premium each month. Typically, is a person that has the insurance. If that person passes away, someone has to get the money to an trust, or go to an estate, or it can go to an actual person. So if it goes to an actual person, this person is called a beneficiary, meaning that they benefit from this person having life insurance. Let's say, for an example, someone has $100,000 in life insurance. Now, if something happens to the insured, the beneficiary gets a check for $100,000, take care of this person's expenses, and go on with life, right? So let's say, for an example, you have the insured, which is a husband and wife. The beneficiary of the husband is the wife. The beneficiary of the wife is the husband. If something happens to one of them, then the other person gets the insurance money, and vice versa. Now, what happens if both of them pass at the same time? This brings us to our first point. This is what I want you to do. You want to do something called a contingent beneficiary. A contingent beneficiary is a person outside of the first beneficiaries or primary beneficiaries that will receive the money in case something happens to the beneficiary. Now, how does this benefit you as an insurance agent? So what I want you to do is go to your clients, all of your clients that you've ever serviced, give them a call, and you say this one simple phrase. Hey, Ms. Jones, I just want to follow back up with you. Thank you so much for trusting me with your life insurance. One of the issues that I've seen in my industry is that sometimes when the insured passes away, then no one knows where the life insurance policy is. No one knows who's the agent. No one knows the company that the insurance is with. So what I would like to do, I would like to add to your policy a contingent beneficiary. This is a person outside of your primary beneficiary. And what's going to happen is if something happens, this person is able to contact me, okay, as the insurance agent. I'm going to stop by. This Tuesday or Wednesday work better for me to stop by. It's only going to take 5 to 10 minutes. Cool. Tuesday works. Now, when you go as the life insurance agent, you go with an award letter, or you can just Google a document that you can use for an award letter. And on this letter, the heading, you just want to say contingent beneficiary award. Now, what's going to happen is when you get there, you say, hey, listen, who do you want to list as your contingent beneficiary? So if they want to list Mr. Smith, they list Mr. Smith, who's outside of the primary beneficiary. When they list that person, now you say, hey, listen, can we call Mr. Smith really quick? Because I want to set an appointment with them, right? Now, when they call Mr. Smith, now you say, hey, Mr. Smith, my name is Terrence, with life insurance agent, or whoever, whatever company you work with. Say you're a life insurance agent. Stop by to give you this award letter. I'm sitting down with Mr. Jones, and he told me that he wanted to list you as a contingent beneficiary on his life insurance policy. So what this means is you don't get direct benefits unless both of the primary beneficiaries pass away. But I want to make sure that you're able to get in contact with me if something happened to Mr. and Mrs. Jones. Is that okay? What day is going to work best for me to stop by? This Wednesday or Thursday work better for you, right? Now what happens? You now leave that house with an appointment. You can do this. You can do multiple contingent beneficiaries on one policy. Now, what does this do? This is a qualified appointment, right? So now when I go into the house, hey, Mr. Smith, thank you so much for allowing me to stop by. This is the contingent beneficiary award form. What I would like for you to do is put this in a safe place. If something happens, you're able to contact me. Also, here's my direct number. Put this phone number and your cell phone. And while I'm here, who takes care of your life insurance? So now what I've done is I have a qualified appointment, and now I'm able to convert that conversation into another appointment, and that same thing just keeps going and going and going and going. This is how you build a market. This is how you build a market within a market. And I hope you find value in this. Doing this one simple trick can add $10,000, $5,000 to $10,000 to your business within 30 days if you do this effectively.